Hi, I'm Jack, and today, we're diving into something toasty. So picture this, it's early morning, I'm half awake, hair looking like a bird's nest, and I pop a slice of bread into the toaster. A few seconds later, ding! It's magically turned golden brown, warm, and smells amazing. But have you ever stopped to think, why does bread turn brown in a toaster? Alright, let's zoom in on that innocent slice of bread. At first, it's soft, pale, and filled with moisture. But when it enters the toaster, things start heating up, literally. The toaster's wires glow red hot, and the bread surface begins to warm up fast. Inside the bread, there's sugar and protein just hanging out, minding their own business. But once the temperature rises, boom, a chemical party starts. This party is called the Maillard reaction. Fancy name, right? It's basically when the sugars and proteins team up under heat to form brand new flavor and color compounds. It's the same magical process that browns cookies, sears steaks, and even makes coffee beans roast to perfection. That golden brown layer isn't burnt, well, not yet, it's the result of complex chemistry creating hundreds of tasty new molecules. And here's the fun part, this reaction doesn't just change the color, it completely transforms the smell and flavor too. That irresistible toast smell that wakes people up in cartoons? Yep, that's Maillard magic. As the bread keeps toasting, the water inside evaporates, the surface dries out, and those browning reactions accelerate. But if you leave it in too long, well, congratulations, you've entered the burn zone. That's when carbon takes over, and your beautiful toast turns into black, bitter charcoal. So next time you're making toast, just remember, your toaster isn't just heating bread. It's conducting a mini science experiment right in your kitchen. Science is delicious, isn't it?